Hello everyone. This is one SIGI pension drive from one DFO user in India. Now according to the user, and we can see the data is encrypted, and we can see we cannot see any data. We cannot find the partition mark, the 558A here. Okay, so we can see this one. So to fix this encryption issue, we need to check the module 40, and we can change the 80 to 81, and okay. Okay, now we write back the original ROM. SJJ. So this is the original ROM to write. Okay, now let's write. So this is a remote spot by TeamViewer. Now we're writing this original ROM. So let's wait and see. After this one, we can check the LBA0 again. Okay, now the original ROM has been written to its pension drive. So now let's check the status. Okay, so it's unlocked successfully. Now let's check the LBA0 again. Okay, so the 558A is available now. This is SATA 0. to the DDP. To check the partitions, lost partitions and the folders. Okay, so all the lost partition here and folders and files are available. Thank you for watching the video.